Let's find an equation of the tangent line to y equals the fourth root of x at the point 1, 1. To do this, we're going to use point-slope form, which looks like that. Y minus the y-coordinate equals the slope times x minus the x-coordinate. This is pretty easy because we already know the x and y-coordinate. The tangent line has to pass through that point, so that tells us what our y-coordinate is for point-slope form, and that tells us what our x-coordinate is. So starting to fill in the pieces, we have y minus 1, that's y minus the y-coordinate, equals the slope multiplied by x minus the x-coordinate, which is also 1. So all that remains is to find m, the slope of the tangent line. And of course, that's going to be found by taking the derivative. So we'll take the derivative of the fourth root of x, which requires us to use the power rule, and then we'll plug in the point 1, 1 in order to see what the slope is. To take the derivative of the fourth root of x, we want to rewrite this radical as a rational exponent. The fourth root of x is the same as x to the power of 1/4. And then you can see that we can differentiate it by applying the familiar power rule. To do that, we have to bring the exponent down in front as a factor, so we have 1/4. And then reduce the exponent by 1. So 1/4 minus 1, that's the same as 1/4 minus 4/4, and so that's going to be negative 3/4. That's our new power. But we specifically want the slope at the point 1, 1. So let's plug 1 into this derivative. So at x equals 1, we get a slope of 1/4 multiplied by 1 to the power of negative 3/4. 1 to the power of negative 3/4 is just 1, and so this is equal to 1/4. And so we have our tangent line. Y minus 1 equals 1/4, that's our slope, multiplied by x minus 1. And if you're a slope-intercept fan, then you can just solve for y and do some simplification here. 1/4 times x minus 1 is 1/4 x minus 1/4. That's just distributing the 1/4. Then we would also want to add that 1 to both sides, so we'd have a plus 1 over here on the right. And so that gives us y equals 1/4 x, and then minus 1/4 plus 1 is plus 3/4. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. That's our tangent line, but if you prefer a slope-intercept form, it would look like that. And that's how to find the equation of a tangent line to the fourth root of x. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 1 course and Calculus 1 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.